Hey TikTok fam, ever wake up and wish your skin could do a happy dance? Same here. But honestly, since I started using SimplyVital's Vital Collagen Face Cream, my skin feels like it's living its best life. So picture this. Last month I was stress eating pizza and drinking way too much coffee. My skin was dull and I had those annoying little lines creeping up. Enter this miracle cream. It's loaded with natural collagen, which seriously kicked my skin into high gear. Now I look like I just walked off the red carpet. No filter needed. Let me tell you, this isn't just some basic moisturizer. It's got retinol, collagen, and hyaluronic acid all in one. Imagine a time machine but for your skin. Those fine lines around your eyes or mouth, poof, gone. And dry patches, bye, never to return. Oh, and my elephant skin during pregnancy, total myth now. I feel like I'm glowing from within, even at 3 a.m. Yes, I'm that confident. Ready to level up your skin game? Swipe up now and join the glowing skin.
Ever wake up and just wish your skin would cooperate? I hear ya. But here's the game changer I found, SimplyVital's Vital Collagen Face Cream. Picture this, waking up, splashing some water on your face, and boom, your skin looks refreshed and ready to conquer the day. That was me until I hit my mid-30s. Then poof, the magic faded. Enter SimplyVital's Miracle Cream. It's like turning back the clock. First off, the natural collagen boost is pure gold. Imagine giving your skin that extra nudge it desperately wants. I started using this gem before bed and during my morning routine, and my skin has honestly never felt more supple and alive. And let's talk about their powerful retinol treatment. It's like a secret weapon. Working late nights or catching up on weekend sleep? No problem. This cream goes deep, rebuilding and rejuvenating with every swipe. The result? Softer, more hydrated skin that feels like velvet. Now, the ultimate anti-aging formula is the real MVP here. Fine lines around the eyes or trying to ignore those sneaky wrinkles? This stuff gets down to business, dimming those age marks while keeping your skin moisturized and glowing. Honestly,